We've got a 1966 Pontiac GTO 389 with a 4-speed sticking out of the floor right there. This car is in beautiful shape. It's straight. Everything underneath this car was all just rebuilt. It's real clean underneath the car. Go to volocars.com and you can actually see pictures from top to bottom. You can read all the information. That's where you find a price tag along with a monthly finance option at volocars.com. Now, if you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next cars are posted. For right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. If you get really excited about a car, we have a Buy It Now button on our website. You click that and get the car locked up until you have a chance to talk to a salesman. So underneath the car, it looks like a frame-off restoration. The whole front end was just rebuilt. All the suspension, steering, ball joints, spring shocks, you name it, it looks brand new because it is new. This has the ride and handling package. It has sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms in back. The rear suspension's all redone as well. The brake system's just been all redone. All new brake lines. And they actually upgraded it to disc brakes in front. That wasn't even an option until '67, but this one has it now. The fuel system was replaced. The tank is shiny and all the lines and straps and sending unit all replaced. It has a pipes dual exhaust system. It's a stainless steel 2.5 inch. It has the X pipe, stainless mufflers, and it has the stainless tips out the back. Those are actually a GTO option. Those are factory tips. Look up at the motor. It's spotless. The motor was rebuilt. There's about 1,500 miles on the rebuilt engine. So the oil pan, the starter, the fuel pump, it's all stock, all looks like new. It has a correct Muncie transmission in there, dated 1960s, well, actually 67, I think. So it's period correct, but not the original. Drive shaft, rear end, all that looks really nice and clean. So check out the pictures under this car. It's really nice. The floors are all nice and clean. The frame's clean. Everything's painted and looks like new. So the body, it's absolutely straight. When you have a black car, it needs to be straight. The hood, got the scoop, no issues, no damage, no shrinkage, no problems. This is all fantastic. I was already eyeing it up, and it is straight down these long panels. They call this the Coke bottle year because the quarter panel kind of looks like a Coke bottle. All lines up very nicely, all nice and clean. There is a chunk of paint missing here. There's no rust. It's actually really clean metal where the paint was. They must have swung the door open and hit something. The quarter panels are straight. This is all straight. The trunk lid is straight. I swear it's like I'm looking into a mirror. So the body on the car is really nice, very exceptionally clean body. This side's just as straight and good. So it is painted black, like I just said. It is like a mirror. There were a few touch-ups, though. You got that chip on the other side, which is down low. There's a pretty good-sized chip. I'm waiting for it to come around because there was a touch-up all along right here. It's brush touch. This was chipped somehow. But this is all smooth and like glass, looking really pretty. So the paint overall is really sharp with the exception of a few places that had to be touched up. But there's no rust, no bubbles, no cracking. There's a little touch up along here. Good thing with black, it touches up pretty easily. I would suggest a red pinstripe down each side. You got the red line tires and the red in the emblem. A red pinstripe would be really sharp. So the windshield's nice and crystal clear. Up front here, the headlight bezels are probably a 7. The grills are real nice. The bumper, I'm sure, has been re-chromed. This one looks like it's new, actually. So beautiful chrome, the little stainless here. This all looks like new. The emblem's real sharp. The rocker moldings are real nice. Stainless trim's real nice. Up here's original, and it gets rubbed from the top, so it's a little bit worn. Original vent window frame in real nice shape. This trim is very good. Little light scuffs and normal light wear, but overall this is all nice trim. GTO emblems look new. Bumper looks new. Trim is real nice. Convertible top is brand new. I was buying the car from the guy and I had to wait for the top to be installed. So this was literally just put on. The rubber looks like it's new. The well liner was replaced. It's a black power top. You see pictures on our website. So it has the Rally 1 wheels. They look good. There's a little, nicks and chips in the nooks and crannies, but the trim is real nice. The red line tires are the reproduction wide oval red lines. Door handles are nice. Here's a little touch up right here, a chip in the paint that's been touched up. So the outside of the car, it is sharp looking. Let's open it up, see the inside. Let's check out the trunk compartment. All right, it's painted real nice, has a sticker, the jamb is clean, the weather strip is replaced. Inside the trunk compartment is clean metal with the nice spatter finish paint, new mat. Has a matching red line tire and a Rally 1 wheel for a spare. I don't see the jack under it. It has the base for the jack, but I don't see the rest of the jack. Well liner was replaced. I think I mentioned that earlier. Each car goes through the shop for inspection. I just looked at the ticket on this one. They fixed the turn signal canceller, reverse lights. All right, so the door jambs are nice. The weather strip is replaced. Door panels look like new, including the armrests are new. We also balanced the tires on the car, fixed the blower switch. So there is a crack right here in the dash pad. Not a big deal because it's not curled or missing chunks. But the instrument panel's all new. Look at the chrome and the wood grain. And this has the Rally gauges. There's the factory tachometer and gauges. Original radio, so nothing's cut up or broken here. This is all real nice across here. Glove box liner's new. Down on the floor, it's got real nice carpet. Of course, the Hurst 4-speed. There are aftermarket gauges. The ones in the dash work, but some people just feel those are more accurate and they want to keep an eye on things. The seats have been recushioned, reupholstered. Back seat's real nice. Interior lights work. The rear armrests are recovered. So overall, the interior is very nice. And we got to talk about this real quick. The deluxe steering wheel. It's a reproduction wheel. It's beautiful. It's on a factory tilt column. So the engine is a correct, dated 1966 389. It's a WT code that is a 4-speed 389, 335 horsepower, I think it is. So it's all stock with a new Edelbrock carburetor, electric choke, and he did put ram air exhaust manifolds on. And it has the correct new chrome valve covers and air cleaner. Overall, the metal is clean and smooth and painted. Upgraded aluminum radiator. You have the cover normally is black. Someone chrome plated it. We got the shroud. Alternator's new, still has the stickers on it. It has power steering and upgraded power brakes. It's a dual reservoir. It's just single back in '66, I believe. Wiper motor looks new. So yeah, very nice looking engine compartment. That Pipes exhaust system sounds nice. Got really strong oil pressure. Both cases are pegged actually. So you know what we've got here? A really sharp looking GTO 4-speed convertible that's very well sorted. Again, underneath it's all rebuilt. Everything's proper. This thing runs and drives really well. It was driven over an hour to get here. Just a nice GTO to get in, top down, start shifting those gears. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They will help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door and how to finance it. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe and then click that bell icon. We're doing 4 more cars today. We got some great stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.